Hi guys, welcome to another video of my live trade, guys. Today I'm trading Britain's manufacturing PMI. The results of the PMI will be released in the next 3 minutes. I've just entered my trade just a few minutes ago, guys. We have sent this signal in our WhatsApp signal group, so let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Just to avoid the video being too long, I'm going to pause the recording and resume when I have some updates or before I close my trade. Don't forget, if anyone is interested in joining the WhatsApp signal group, feel free to send a message to the number on the screen to inquire about the services that we offer. Let's see how it goes, guys. Okay guys, here's my update so far. $12,000. It's been a few hours since I initially opened the trade. I've reached my first target, so I'm probably going to close one trade. I'm happy with the profit. I might just close both trades, guys. I'm happy with the profit. Definitely ready for tomorrow's NFP. Definitely ready for the NFP tomorrow, guys. Don't forget, if you're interested in joining the WhatsApp signal group and receiving signals like these, guys, just send a WhatsApp message to the number on the screen. I'm happy with these results, guys. I'm about to close, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. $12,000 in just one day, guys. I'm very happy with these results.